Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and in today's video is more like a make money online idea that I extracted from the channel Franklin Hatchet, which he recently uploaded. I will leave the image here in the screen. He uploaded how to make 100 a day by uploading simple videos. Now, I thought the idea was cool and I wanted to put my own ideas to it on how to create the videos. So if you didn't watch that video, watch it, but you don't have to watch that video in order to understand this method before. So you can easily watch my video, understand how this method works, so that you can start earning from $100 to $1,000 a day. Now, let's jump into the video. If you want more make money online ideas, how to succeed with affiliate marketing, and how to start your affiliate career, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and comment and like on this video so that you give me some feedback. Now, stay until the end so that you fully understand the method. Now, let's get into the video. So, let's get into the video. Now, what Franklin explains in his video is that these channels are blowing up. These channels are channels where they do probability comparisons. That means that they will extract info from scientist blogs or information, and well, from informational scientist sources. As you can see, if you type probability comparisons on YouTube, you will see that these videos are getting millions and millions of views. 4.8, 9.3, 3.6, and it's like a loop how they make the videos, because what they do is they grab a topic and they then type probability comparisons. So what you can do is proportion of male to women probability comparison, and just it's like grabbing a topic and then doing probability comparison. So probability comparison of types of mountains. I don't know why I came with that topic. Of probability comparisons of flying cars, or probability comparisons of cancer. I don't know. It's like grabbing a topic that has like a lot of material to do probabilities, like death, as you can see, rarest human mutations, rarest animals. It's like grabbing a topic that will have a lot of material to do probability comparisons. Like you won't do a probability comparisons of mineral water. You can do that maybe, but like you won't do a probability comparison of tables. Like that is not interesting. Like it has to be something that is rare, like 1 in 10,000, 1 in 16,000. Like that is what these guys are doing. They're grabbing topics like death, mutations, rarest animals, I don't know what is this, death probability and executions, like what is the probability that you would die on the guillotine. Like, so they're not doing like putting this info without doing the research. That is what I wanted to explain to you guys. So what they'll do is go to these scientific sources which investigate on this topic, and what they only do is they grab that information and put it into a slide video, which is more interesting and more entertaining. Let's be honest, you would be prone more to watch a video than to read a full article saying that there is 1 to 10,000 of odd that you would die from cancer. Like I would watch a video instead of reading. So if we go to the description, here you can see the sources: nsc.org, Business Insider, lifehack.org, Best Health Degree. So these are all informational sources which have backup claims, which did investigation. So before doing the videos that you will be doing, same as these guys, because these guys are trending right now and this is why they are blowing up, you will have to go to informational sources and obviously investigate on a topic which you could make a video. A good topic video that I came up now is rarest trees, the rarest trees probability comparison. So you would investigate on what are the rarest trees out there and you will do a probability comparisons of the rarest trees. I don't know, that is a good idea. Now let's go back on how to make how to actually make the videos. In Franklin's video, he teaches you to go to app.flourish the studio and make some slides in there. The problem with this method is that you can do like a slide like these guys are doing, but the problem is that you can't convert these slides into videos. If you go to, for example, a grid, it will make you a grid of all the information you will have to put in once you have the information and you have researched all the topic. And what you will do, what he explains, is once you have all the information, go here and go to here to data and replace with all the information of the given topic you researched. Now, I love this this idea. It's good, but then he explains that you will have to buy or even download a video editing software, which I don't really agree on, because maybe you don't know how to edit and maybe you don't have the time to learn how to edit. So what he explains is, once you have your grid all laid out, he will tell you to preview it and to go image by image and take screenshots of the images one by one, so that then you grab that images, put it into a video editing software and make a video out of the screenshots that you have taken. Now, that is a good idea, but what I will do is I would go to my favorite video creator software, video slide creator software, that is called Lumen 5. Now, I must warn you, this is not as eye-pleasing as doing a slide with Flourish, and obviously as not as doing, I don't know how do they do this. Maybe they do it all in After Effects and Adobe Premiere. That's my best supposition. But if you don't know how to edit and you don't have any editing skills, what I would really recommend you to start making this video is to go to Lumen 5 and go to create an account first, because it's free. You have, I think, no, it's free forever. You have a free version. You can always upgrade to make better videos. So once you have created an account with Lumen 5, you will go to create video. Obviously, before creating the video, you will have to have researched the information of the given topic, and in this case I would just go to then you skipped it asks you in what format do you want your video, and in this case we want it for YouTube. So here they give you some templates. Now what we will do, the great thing about Lumen 5 is that they have stock videos for you to use, and this is why I really encourage you to use Lumen 5. So I'll choose this template. Now what I'll do is, for example, I would grab this topic, and I will use, like, I would search for stock videos related to space debris or to space, or stock videos related to banana peel, death, to someone sleeping with a banana peel. Then I will grab, I don't know, grab a video or grab a photo of a vending machine, or and as you can imagine, grab all videos related to the topic that you will be the subtopic that you will be talking about in the video. So where is Lumen 5? So here then you just have videos. So let's I will create something like here. So here is the media. If you go here to library, you can search for millions and millions of stock videos. So then in what I'll do is, in every slide I would put the type of death in this case. Yes, so if you grab the topic of trees, in each slide I would put the probability of each tree seed or each type of tree. Maybe you're confused? If you're confused, type something on the comments and I'll try to explain you at best. But here I will put the first type of death, space debris. Obviously you will have to then back up all the information that you're putting in the video. That's why you have to do the research. So here I put death by space debris, and here I'll put the probability 1 in 21 trillion. So guys, let me do I finished the video. Let me do a preview of how it would look with Lumen 5. And this, remember, you don't have to do any editing, you don't have to have any editing skills, nor how to create effects, how to do animations and all of that. This Lumen 5 has all covered that for you, and they even give you stock videos, which makes the videos look amazing. So let's preview the video. So obviously the video looks amazing on its own, but what I'll do if I were you, if I could improve the video, I would here on where it says 1 in 21 trillion, I would add the same thing that the guys is adding, like only one person has died sleeping from a banana peel, like funny facts. So that it gives more an entertaining factor to the video. So that was my own idea to the video that Franklin made. I think this was appropriate because some of you guys don't even know how to run or use editing software, and Lumen 5 is very easy to use, and you can just create awesome videos with stock videos, and you can start uploading content to YouTube and make the same videos that these guys are doing, and maybe even make them look better. Oh, by the way guys, I forgot to mention, now this was the most important part. How do you make money once you upload the video? That is easy. The money that we'll be making is with AdSense. This is the platform that YouTube will give you once you passed 1,000K, yes, 1K subscribers, and they will put ads in your videos, and for every ads they put in your videos, you would get recompensated with money. That is how every YouTuber makes their money on YouTube. So this is, sorry that I forgot to mention, but this is the strategy that we will be doing for making money. I thought it was a bit obvious, but for everyone that was maybe asking how the money was made, don't worry. You will be, once you get your 100K subscribers, YouTube will activate your AdSense in your account so that you can start making some ad revenue. So if you like this video, let me know on the comments. Let me know if you knew about Lumen 5, and obviously like and share so that you help me with the YouTube algorithm. Till next one, guys.